Beware. I smell.
Drop it.
We gotta go!
What did you do? I made my choice.
She chose me. Hear the innocent cry out.
No. Hell of a sight to come home to.
I smell
Brother, lying dead on the floor. No idea it was a Winchester that had done it. So, one of you was. Took off my brother's head!
Never falter.
Him? Pretty fitting. Brother for a brother. This place has been a good home to us. Since you two had to come around and ruin it, we're gonna have to hit the road and find a new one. And when we hit the road, I feel like to pack a lunch.
Can't say you didn't come prepared. Hey, don't be bothering my girl. She's going through something. A process.
What did you do?
Better my blood. She's on her way now. All that's left is to feel.
Please, Mama. Let her go.
Made an impression on my girl, I see. Baby, this is the human half of you talking.
Me.
After the change, this human, she ain't nothing to you. Clearly, sure, you got issues. Some hole in your life that using my image to fill. See if I can have you know.
Wow, that's pretty rich coming from you.
Fed her, clothed her, loved her for 9 years. You think motherhood's just about blood? You don't know the first thing about it.
Maybe not, but I know what it isn't. And it ain't about forcing her to be like you the second she becomes inconvenient.
Don't you see what she is trying to do? This hunter cop bitch is trying to turn you against me to save her own hide. Don't believe a word she says. She ain't your mother.
I hear the innocent cry out. Was that her name?
You named her after someone. Was it your daughter? Never. Couldn't help that if I changed your name. I thought maybe you were ashamed of me like that, but you have no shame. You said that I was using her to fill a hole in your life, and I am. You are too. Guess it takes one to know one.
That Alex? She died a long time ago.
And it still hurts. I still feel it. Loss. It hurts just a little bit less whenever she's
You bitch.
Look at me. Look at me, bitch! Dean? Yeah, I know. You wouldn't have done the same for me.
No. Jody.
Good news, Lady Cop.
Evil lurks around whoever you are.
You're gonna see it again really soon.
I hear the innocent cry out. An ally has been slain.
How could you?
You are my girl. Don't watch this, sweetheart.
Nice work back there. Look at me, bitch.
Hey, you got another snappy one on all ears.
What I'm saying is,
I pass
it looked to me like you were enjoying it. Maybe too much.
And? Also, if I'm putting on a hair show. Killing things that need killing. It's kind of our job. Unless that chick taking pleasure in things not crime.
Right.
Take back the station.
Oh, Frank got pretty bad, but at least you're alive. Cabinet. Told him that one's on me.
Speaking of apologies, we owe you a big one.
We were wrong about the girl.
No, you were right about me. My judgment was not working this case. Got it. Feelings back. Feelings I've been trying to bury for years. Now buried it under work, religion, even dating. You know how that worked out. But it's still there, you know, underneath. Grief. Don't know what that means. means for me. It's just that I've been fooling myself to think that I can ignore it. Anyway, thank you for coming out,
Should fear me.
for curing Alex.
You don't need to thank us. I mean, you're the one who killed her sire, got her blood.
Sure it'll work?
Well, speaking from experience, it'll be a rough couple of days. But she should pull through. You sure you don't want us to stay?
I'm good.
After it's done, you know what to do with her?
Don't get up on account of me.
I'm not.
Should I grab a...
I'll just be cold again in a second. It's part of the cure, I guess.
An ally has been
Want something to eat?
No, I'll just throw it up.
But, thank you.
I want you to know that when Mama offered, I just...
In the dark.
I couldn't just go in there again. Not enough to be ashamed of as it is. Jody, I've done things.
You don't have to explain.
An
I know.
ally has been slain.
Whatever you want from me, I'll give it. If you...
An enemy has been slain.